Today I'm going to discuss leptin resistance and belly fat. And we all know that leptin is a hormone in the blood, and the function of leptin is to inhibit hunger, stimulate satiety, and enhance fat consumption, and thus reduce fat storage and also reduce belly fat. And leptin resistance is a phenomenon in which human body does not respond to leptin, and that is believed to be the leading cause of belly fat. And so many people try very hard, they have good diet, they do exercise, they have good sleep, but still they cannot control the belly fat. We know that the cause of belly fat is very complicated. There are so many factors involved. So like the leptin resistance can be one of the reasons that you cannot reduce the belly fat. And if you want to find out why you have belly fat, and leptin resistance may be one reason for that, you can go to your doctor to measure the blood concentration of leptin to see you have leptin resistance. Because leptin is the hormone which can reduce belly fat, and if your blood concentration of leptin is higher, still you have belly fat, that means that leptin is not working. That is because there is leptin resistance, and which prevent you from loss and belly fat. So let's come have a detailed discussion on the principle of leptin resistance. And so here's the fat cells, and here's brain cells. So in the normal situation, this communication between fat cells and the brain, and through this leptin, and the leptin is secreted from fat cells. When the fat cells have increased, and also the number and size, and fat cells are going to secrete the protein, which is called leptin. And the leptin then transfer the information to the brain, tell the brain that I'm fat. As soon as the brain gets this information, it then transfers this information to the entire body, human body. And so stop eating because you are going to get fat. On the other hand, when these fat cells become thin, and secretion of leptin is going to reduce, and that gives the information to the brain cells that I'm thin. And in this case, the brain cell then to inform the entire body systems that please start to eat some things to build up your fat. And that regulation is maintained in the normal situation. So because most of people still have relative functional mechanism to maintain this fat balance, so you don't get so much fat. However, in some situations, this phenomenon called leptin resistance, and that happens when you have fatty cells and the cell number and size increase, and fatty cells secrete a lot of leptin, and that information transferred to brain. However, brain is resistant to this information, and so this information cannot be transferred to the brain, and brain don't get no response And so this information cannot give out, and they don't tell the body to stop eating. And so the body still continue to eat, and leptins continue to increase. However, because this leptin resistance, and that information cannot have good regulatory balance. That's why you get a lot of fat, especially belly fat. So today we're going to talk about how to break this leptin resistance, and that just use leptin resistance supplement, which can be used to block this resistance, to remove this resistance. So in order for the body to maintain the normal regulatory pathway. So one of the product is that Leptox, and Leptox is the leptin resistance supplement, and that supplement can remove this leptin resistance, so maintain the balance between the fat and brain, so they have good communication. When you have fat, and the brain tells the body stop to eating. When you are thin, and the brain tells the body to eat more, to build up some fat and store as energy, and keep the normal balance. Now let's have a look at the details of this leptin resistance supplement. And the product is mentioned is Leptox, and this is a natural product, consists of 22 essential plant extracts, and jujube is the critically great ingredient for this product, because it's scientific proof that this product have component can break the leptin resistance. And this is an essential product to break this resistance. And beside this, they also have a serious product with detox to remove obesogens from your body, and also enhance this metabolism, and also increase the energy level. So it's kind of complex ways to restore this leptin sensitivity to this product. And this also mentioned here, this serious product with all potential to detox, energy boost, and enhance metabolism. And the product is come as a pill format. So how to use this product? You just take one Leptox pill before breakfast and one before dinner. So this is pretty easy. This really good advantage for all this supplement. So you don't need to do so much things. And so this is one way to use Leptox as ways to reduce belly fat. So as I mentioned in my previous presentation, and still the best way is to have well-balanced diet and proper amount of exercise. And if you try your best, you still have trouble, and this in this paper, actually, I list in my description of this video, and we have several different pill supplement, and you should try to get the one best fit for you. For example, research, and this one just make sure you have good deep sleep, because we know that sleep is very important to recharge the entire body system, includes the system to remove this belly fat. And we know that in the body there's a lot of oxygen, so the proven is the way to remove, detox your body. And plus this one, leptin detox, which can restore your leptin sensitivity to this leptin balance. Again, that to lose your belly fat is complex job, and you need to perform all this essential work and have balanced diet, exercise, good sleep. But again, don't give up this some kind of supplement, diet supplement. It's pretty easy. Just need to eat it once a day, and to find one the best suited for you. And I wish you good luck in your work against your belly fat. And if you try hard, I'm sure you're going to make it. And thank you for listening to my presentation. And I wish to see you in my next video. And bye.